This video is brought to you by Shockz. Today we're looking at a pair of headphones that doesn't go in or over your ears. These are the OpenRun Pros from Shockz. A premium pair of open-ear bone conduction headphones that let you enjoy your music while still hearing all of your surroundings. But how does this work? Well, unlike traditional headphones that use speakers to generate sound, Shockz uses patented bone conduction technology, where transducers send vibrations through the cheekbones and deliver sound directly to the inner ear, allowing you to listen to your music and still remain connected to your surroundings. And this is great for working out, especially outdoors, where you can still hear oncoming traffic, but also in the office to be able to listen to music and still easily be able to talk with your colleagues. In today's video, I will cover everything from design, fit, to sound to help you decide whether these are the right headphones for you. As always on my channel, all content are created with an objective mindset and come from my own experiences and personal opinions. So with that in mind, let's get started. Coming in at $179 or 159 pounds, I am curious to see how the OpenRun Pros compare to the Aeropexes that I reviewed last year. As you know, I always appreciate nice packaging, and the OpenRun Pros definitely deliver here. Inside the box, we get a warranty card, and this is to activate your 2-year warranty, which is always good to have. And now let's get to what matters most. I like that there's this hard shell protective case included, useful for traveling. Inside the case, we get a charging cable. Now, this uses the same proprietary connector as also seen on Shockz's other headphones. Now, I would have preferred for this to be USB-C, but I do like that the cable is magnetic, making it easy to connect. The OpenRun Pros are equipped with fast charging. A 5-minute charge will give you 1.5 hours of battery life, whereas a full charge will allow for up to 10 hours of battery life. And then finally, last but certainly not least, here are the OpenRun Pros. So right away, I am struck by just how light these are. Coming in at just 29 grams, the OpenRun Pros use a titanium frame, both for durability as well as its lightweight design. They are definitely very flexible and have this grippy, rubber, silicone-like texture that feels very well made. I really like this new blue color with a nice hint of turquoise. It also comes in black, pink, and beige. Let's take a look around the OpenRun Pros. Starting off on the right side of the headphones, we get the magnetic charging port. So I will go ahead and take the charger here and then simply align it with the port. And as you can see, the magnets will then instantly and seamlessly align this into place, giving a secure connection. Also on the right side, we have the volume as well as the power buttons. And finally, we have 2 dual noise cancelling microphones. This is going to help make your calls extra clear. And then over on the right side, we have your multifunction button. Now, this is used for your music controls as well as making and taking phone calls. The OpenRun Pros have a IP55 rating, meaning they are rated to withstand sweat as well as rain. The OpenRun Pros feature Shockz's TurboPitch technology, and this is meant to provide enhanced bass. Now, I'll get onto this in a sec, but first, let's talk about the fit. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the OpenRun Pros on to give you an idea for how they look and fit. Now, putting them on, you can see that this is how they look from the side. Go ahead and look up, and right away, this is where that very lightweight design really shines. On my head, they feel super comfortable, and it almost feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. As someone who wears glasses, I was really pleased to see that the OpenRun Pros in no way press or interfere with the frame of my glasses. They are really just as comfortable to wear with or without glasses. My only suggestion here though is to put on your glasses before you put on the OpenRun Pros and not the other way around. And then when it comes to the clamping pressure, this really is minimal. Far less compared to any on or over-ear headphones that I've tried, which can get warm as well as uncomfortable after a few hours of wearing. At the same time, what really impresses me with the OpenRun Pros is that they still manage to get a really good grip, never getting loose or falling off, even during an intense workout. Overall, I would say I have no complaints with the fit. I've worn them all day with ease. Now, design and fit are important, but let's talk about what matters most, and that of course has to be the sound. If you've never experienced a pair of bone conducting headphones, you really should. Compared to conventional headphones, it is a completely different experience. It is simply really cool to be able to hear all of your surroundings and still listen to your music all at the same time. Pairing the OpenRun Pros with my iPhone 13 via Bluetooth was easy, and the connection has been stable with no dropouts. Shockz has a long history of making bone conduction headphones, and this really shows. Considering that the OpenRun Pros generate sound in a way that is completely different from any more regular type of headphone, I gotta say, I was pleasantly surprised with the sound quality. The OpenRun Pros are clear and get very loud. I typically listen at around 60% volume. And this is key since by design, none of the outside noise is going to be blocked. I typically like to listen to rap or house, music with more low end. And compared to the previous Aeropexes that I reviewed last year, the low-end performance is definitely greatly improved on the OpenRun Pros. I would say this was actually my only real complaint of last year's Aeropexes. While the bass on the OpenRun Pros won't match that of a big pair of over-ear headphones, they do pack a punch and are a big step up from the Aeropexes. With the OpenRun Pros, the bass is far more present, really rounding out that sound profile. Higher frequencies are rich in detail, making voices sound natural and true to life. And then when it comes to the mids, the OpenRun Pros perform very well. The mids are clean and show good separation from the higher as well as the lower frequencies, and this will make your music audible and clear. I've also listened to some podcasts, and this again is an area where the OpenRun Pros really excel. Voices are very clear, and because they let in surrounding sounds, it almost sounds like the person is with you in the room. And then when it comes to call clarity, the OpenRun Pros do well too. Calls are clear on both ends. So who are these for? Well, first and foremost, if you do any kind of outdoor workout, these really are the perfect solution, especially if you do biking or running. Being able to hear your surroundings as clearly as you would if you were not wearing anything on your head while still enjoying your music is something special and is also very important for safety. As someone who works out on occasion but spends more time working at a desk, I found myself using the OpenRun Pros while working too. With a more typical pair of in-ear headphones, I would normally only wear one side so that I can still hear some of my surrounding environment, essentially giving 50% music and 50% surrounding environment. Not great. With the OpenRun Pros, on the other hand, I can have the best of both, being able to hear all of my surroundings and listen to music on both sides. If you work in a collaborative environment, the OpenRun Pros are definitely something to consider. And again, this is where their comfort comes in, making them easy to wear for many hours at a time. The OpenRun Pros are a unique product that take a different approach to sound. In my opinion, for the right person, these are definitely worth buying. To learn more, be sure to click the links in the description. Thanks again to Shockz for supporting the channel, and thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.